Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super cozy dish, Homestyle Potato Stir-Fry. Just look at this plate, tender potatoes, colorful peppers, and savory pork. It looks so comforting, right? Alright, let's get started. First, slice up the potatoes. Don't worry if they are a little thick. Just avoid cutting them too thin, or they will break apart. Next, chop some green peppers, red peppers, and onions into chunks. Then slice up some pork belly. That's going to give us a really rich flavor. For aromatics, we will need chopped scallions and minced garlic. Okay, everything is ready. I've written down all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box, so you can check that anytime. Now, let's start cooking. Heat some oil in the wok. Add the pork slices and stir fry until they change the color. Then toss in the scallions. Let that aroma come out. Now, add the potatoes and stir fry for a bit longer. We want to cook off that raw potato taste. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and just a little oyster sauce to the wok. Stir everything together. Then add half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give it some color. Pour in about 300 milliliters of water. Cover slightly and let it simmer on low heat. Once the potatoes are soft, add in the peppers and onions. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG. Stir fry until the sauce starts to reduce. Right before it's done, add the minced garlic. Give it a quick toss, and we are ready to plate. Look at this, the glossy potatoes, the bright peppers. Everything smells amazing. Let's grab a bite. This is so good. The potatoes are soft and flavorful. And with some rice, oh my, it's perfect comfort meal. Super tasty, super satisfying. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.